welcome to the village of St. Johns. We are looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and this is a short-term rental availability. First off to the right is this really nice bedroom. Great space. Because we're in the south end of St. John, it's real nice because that's where the pool is, and everyone loves going to the pool, especially on these hot summer days. There's a really great area here. Seating for 6 at the dining table. Opens up into this really nice living space. Flip out couches. And that's the entrance to the lanai area, but we'll get out there soon. Off to the left, we got this really nice open concept kitchen. Got seating for 4 at the center cot. And we've got laundry off to the right. Stainless steel appliances, gas stove. Opens up into this 1.5 car garage. So if you are renting here, you've got space for your car. And if you've got a golf cart that you're renting, you've got space for that too. Off to the back of the house are 2 more bedrooms, 2 more bathrooms. So first bathroom off to the left here. And then big king size bed in this really nice appointed bedroom. Masters off to the right. Again, really nice big king bed. We got bathroom with 2 sinks. And we've got the toilet and shower here. And a walk-in closet. So St. John's, you're real close to Brownwood and Sawgrass. Just a short cart ride to either one, 10 to 15 minutes at the most. You can also get up to Sumter fairly quickly or over to Edna's. Let's have a look at the outdoor space here. Really great area to have a barbecue, as well as just sitting. You can sit out here, got maps of the villages, plan your routes, watch some TV, and just enjoy your morning. So if you're looking for short-term rental in the village of St. John, this is a great house to consider. Everything you need is available. Hope you enjoyed the tour.